So in this question, we have A as a domain, which is a close bracket of A to infinity. Then we have this mapping where this part is domain, this part is codomain. Okay, so we have given a function fx is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x square plus 6. So we are given that this function will have an inverse for the smallest real value of a if in this question this fx will have inverse for the smallest real value of a if so we have to find the correct option. So for a function having inverse, it must be 1 1. So let us check by the maxima and minima of this function. F dash x is equal to 6x square minus 6x into x minus 1. So we can see that this function uh, has two critical points. One is 1, another is 0. So we can plot a graph with the help of these two values. Okay, let us check that which have minima, which has maxima here. Differentiating once more, we will having 12x minus 6. So f double derivative 1 will be 6, f double derivative 0 will be minus 6. So this is minima and this point has maximum. Okay, so now plotting a graph against this will be like we have minima at 1 and maxima at 0. So if this is 1, so we have minima at 1 and maxima at 0. So this graph may be like this. It will be like this graph. So we can see that we have this minima and we have maxima. Okay, so let's see which option is best suiting here. We can see we know that for inverse the function must be 1 1. So we have to choose an interval which is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. So we can see that after 1 it is strictly increasing and before 0 it is strictly decreasing. So the value for a should be 1 because we are choosing a to infinity, so a must be an 1 here. So from 1 to infinity it will be 1 function. We can't choose here 0. Let us check one options. Let us cross verify by options also. For A2, it is this option is also indicating an 1 function. A0 is not indicating a 1 function because A0 from if we start from 0, then we will find it as a many 1 function. A minus 1 will also be ignored here. So A2 and A1 can be chosen for us, can be chosen for this according to this question. So, but in this question we have been asked our smallest real value. So the smallest real value will be 1. Okay, so 1. After that we can check the maximum value, what the maximum value is here. Fx maximum. It will be 2x cubed minus 3x square. Since we know that maxima is at 0, so we will be putting here 0. This will be giving us 6. So its maximum value is 6. So codomain also satisfying in the first option, which is 5 to infinity. Since codomain is range is subset of range is subset of codomain, so 6 lies in this codomain. So the correct option will be A. Thank you.